Now we will go through how we can make decision and with the help of if else condition, and we will see relational operators. So if statements are a crucial part of decision making, decision making constructs in Python. The construct of the statement is inspired by the natural language. Like if it is rain, then I would order an umbrella. If it is cold outside, I will wear a jacket. How you can change your decision on some particular condition. So if a statement for decision making is really very important. You will see in future demo few more programming on the basis of if condition. If this, then this. Now we are moving to relational operator. Relational operators. What is relational operators? You all are very familiar, although with relational operators. What are they? Relational operators are trying to test sometimes relation between two entities. In Python, we have a lot of relational operators like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to. Our relational operators are used to test equality or inequality of a certain condition. Relational operators compares the values on either side of the operator and returns Boolean value as true or false. So we can note down the compares the values on either side of the operator and returns Boolean value as true or false. So we can see even one example of it. If it's raining is equal to true, I will get an umbrella. So this is how relational operators work. It compares the value, it compares two conditions, and it checks are they true or false. Now we will see practical application of operator. First we will see double equal to operator. Double equal to operator, like if I want to check 10 is equal to 10 or not, so I will use it. 10 if I want to check 10 is equal to 10, so I will use double operator. For if I am saying that this is equal to this, now I will check it is so. As I already told you, it's returning a Boolean value. It's true, so that's why we know 10 is equal to 10, so it's returning true. Now, one more important note I want to tell you here, that equal to is an assignment operator. Is an assignment operator. It is used when you need to, it is used to assign value to a variable like a is equal to 10. Then we will use only a single equal to. And equal to, double equal to is a relational operator. So it is used for comparison of equality. Now you can understand where to use single equal to and where to use double equal to. Now double equal to operator. So if I am saying a is equal to 5, I am saying a is equal to 5, then we are assigning the value is equal to, yes, we are assigning 5 is the value which is equal to a. Now if I am saying a is equal to 5, then see what it will return. Yes, it's true because we already assigned it. It's true. Now if I am saying 10 is equal to 5, then we can see it's false because it's not equal to. So this is how equal to operator and assigning operator does works. Not equal to operator. Now if I am saying 10 is not equal to, this is the symbol for is not equal to, 10 is not equal to 5. So what it will return? True. It's already true. We know 10 is not equal to 5. So if we are doing greater than operator, so what it will do? If we say 10 is greater than 5, what do you think? What it will return? We know it's true. In the similar manner, if we use less than operator, then if I am saying 10 is less than 5, then what it will do? What, according to you, what should return? It should return false because it's not true. So this is how operator works, less than, greater than. Now if I will do greater than, equal to, equal to, so we can say 10 is greater than or equal to. So if any of condition will be true, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. So it's true, it's greater than, it's not less than, but it's greater than. In the similar way, if I do less than equal to operator, if we just do and we just check 10 is less than or equal to 5. So according to what it it should return false because not 10 is equal to 5, not 10 is less than 5. So with this, we have been introduced to relational operator: greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, and double equal, how does it works, and assignment operator, how it works. So this is all about basic operators in Python. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.